I saw the post. I see this not to be a sack, but opportunity. And then me who said the party programs in the car, and that's my heading. Baby, I mean who posted no? Me see if these people has posted this lady's disgrace of a sack, then what I'm seeing is that she has been received into this big industry.
All right. So it's like COVID-19 someone lost a job.
Good.
And within a space of 1 week, less than 1 week, Sandy Panama is gainfully employed.
And you know why?
My God.
That individual is marketable. Work on yourself. Kwame, and you might be to say the Sebi Yajini ho. Ye chinsa obi afreya or your friend of ever says you say Jimmy there be. We are preparing for the opportunity. Ye driving come baby and yes can be a be my idea. Ye ko share and Yankopon Piam will be and fire home. Omo friend will not imagine say with their friend with a friend of ever says that's their mind. But you don't know what we are doing. We are making ourselves marketable. One day when somebody needs a voice on your radio, the first name that will come into their mind is Kwame Amu. And that is where your market premium goes high. So bibi awiye bi eneno. Bibi awiye bi eneno. Ma obi who say madam di opeso osun obi koto ada just a one obesoma o. Adenti na madam pay obi akoto obi na ma no osun obi a wo nko. Who did him poor veteran come up from away the day? Men case be a wire boy or nim the who will move your smile. A band is an affair of so soon will become baby. I will not frail. I didn't tear. I didn't obi bed Juma on floor. You say, Obi bed man, better better mommy. Now, dear, before now, because you are being prepared to be the most valuable thing in the place. Anytime they need you, they call you. But I'm telling you, God is about to use that particular opportunity you are using to change your destiny. So just be obedient and follow.
Words are coming with wisdom and power.
And that's about it.
We have entered another dimension.
You're being a dang Kwame. Bible, I am a perceptive train. So my theology mentality is so much. And the food don't have a cash or me call my tomb, but tomb India, a grown message. Dear friend by Hentina me, but Yankopon, ever more be our the money be at who be an immense, a quiet dean. Messi, I told you I would be quiet soon. You want Crawford, me she or not on what Guinness I was saw. Any farmers who catch on say, what do you be? Oh, man, Timothy. And then go and Freddie and Tommy to catch him to come and cancel a wound. She said, I'm just mean you woman just cement is a border boss. You can't hear, you can't hear, you can't hear, you can't hear. Where for quite who don't do radio and just say a jackass. A branch be say make us with the buff and Odumia or Duman also on TV, so on TV and no more. And of course, social media by their poppy up here. No, your power could just do Sanes can do it. And my Jimmy Palam, let's say, I hope I call Ubago before. I dare go away, go back at you, I send you about later. Come with us.
3 minutes after 9.
You ever call him, my young boy, homeworking. Not the sending. One saw a tea about the bonnet, men who are the bonnet. See, moment of filtration. Now your filtration, after they will permanent to now one says to him. Apachapachi no kupetekaya dina uti mu say wa bottle no san ya te say a diaper and a show ya was a hot me near pump e do baby afro de udi share machine bi ase machine sing akra entonyo what I say because it is beyond nutrition samri awu mu uti ayi o ye mu bi ya ba be wale mfie bi atwam dodo no na obi antena radio so nkyira wade na mo afi na mo ba edini ras mo amoba mo mmere ne ye nufuo mo mmere na obi twa ne ni achi editare ne sere ho mo mmere na ma empie without makeup mo mmere na ma ewo nwia yidi si wonti so eye mo mmere yi mu na nkrofo entwe mu tingina tenten akole wa abi eye mmere mu na nipa dase ne wuro ne timu na wo so sakora na so enyi eda ne ti so sa mmere na se edi mu tie o no mo kwa wa de bo no mo ma wiye nyina ni mase ese wo be fa Ashikola akodi nechi enti ye kan tie awade bone ho tena na de bonsam na eba wakomam na nye Nyankopon And this is the cross that God gave me for the wear. Kwame, for the wear. Nyankopon ma kunu e ma ire atwam o. Me catch Kwame so bia catch us me ma kunu oboa. Na me makunu on my ire. And can it that ho. Wa wutie me de matena kronkron me rade. Nyankopon na me de me ho ato no so betena ma sorry na di 40 now de ma di 40th church anniversary. Now so a single anniversary. Waiting for the Lord. Do you know how to wait for the Lord? You wait for the Lord with an expectation. What is the expectation? Preparation. And then you didn't come on. Now go yam so many. Wa fa wa de bia wa de no tete kwame. And me say man is say me see a first message about me. Me eya be yasa ba ya ketekete a onyi ya onima de a be me bia tuesi ne so na osuro so be ja wa de nti ade chi ade say but say they beat me to the last point of my life because I have committed a crime. Not as a daughter, but as a wife. Nebusiane say, well, me de ma bremo. Oh, mo pa mo njai, mo pa mo ntwa so. Ono so o jai a, e me ma me kwa wade no jai, enti me so me jai, e be ka se me jai wade. Na ma me na waro. The be bisa say no. And my mother didn't have a good mind. Is your mother marrying your husband? So Kwame, moment of alteration. En komo anwumre ye ba be di no. Ya mba se e be ma wo asre. Ye ba se e be ma wo su. Okay, 101.7 station people ujai sha ana ujai tia enko off Kwame te ha mesomete ha ena onu nsu rubber bag mu mesome nu wotu mu na Kwame na de US fo hwe ye de memma abrante bi amiko US ogime tata ye friend Mr. Frank Entry Asantini ba na bodwi bebrebe abrante akakra wesi so onwale ye e ma na pen nti ama ite se fa ne tinti se jimi ene na woda Frank ye me ma woda pa esra yefu a ehira yefu wo esra nkwatenten ma wo be yetire wo nnuanu muntam na Nyankopon wo yiwa fi Ghana edia ko US a ene wo ko ba bi no ono a be hwe se ebesi yi na afa wo so amagusua no nsesan ne nsakra ya ba wo Yesu di mu. I wish you a happy birthday Mr. Frank Entry wherever you are in the United States of America. And Kwame ye ko yani te se amajama all right se ma be se be ya no aha
sex branding.
Again.
Sex branding.
Sex branding.
Branding sex.
Hey.
In marriage.
The women share that. Baby. I told you me share idea bia. Eya agrofo bi say why are you learning this? Why are you reading this? But I sex branding. I could be a book. Oh, I could be a book view. But you walk into a studio. Between co studio, my topic is a treaty way. Who do I say, oh, counsel, I want to change the topic. And we are sorry we didn't. I say, it's not about sorry. I walk prepared. What do you want to treat? Don't tell me now. When we sit on set, tell me.
Counsel, I must admit, yeah, maybe say we are. I get a lot of messages in my messenger.
We thank God.
And Crawforka and last minute elder be, but one the religious denomination or your elder.
But your elder.
Or your elder.
Yes, on your Pentecost or apostolic. I'm not your elder.
And he was like, okay, Symbia. Well, you know, because now he did not.
Okay, FM 101.7
can be the reason of marriage breakup.
Wow. One gender.
Sunday night you treaty, you know. The Monday.
Yeah.
A member called
Jesus.
The reporter Nuku Aman said she cannot. But said, you know what? For the benefit or for the doubt, let me issue the truth. Also, I know which answer for reason, because only you couldn't say don't sit here was
Chai.
If you just trouble for crying the bear announced,
Chai.
We move Jai Pow beside the reason now, or walk almost or Shankran or Shank. The beer. But I see he was surprised when the woman said the reason for her seeking divorce has to do with sex.
Asa.
Okay, FM.
Asa.
Yeah, can't say we can say, oh, now wait so.
I said then now when so.
Oh, be back at na when so I accept.
Hey.
Councillor, that I couldn't tell me be so sex branding. Why is it said? The secondary school for no. Any university for no. Woman Makoya.
Yeah.
Not my main penny for one wow, yes, and
I said, a Maria Becrum. I am a
Councillor, God bless you. Jerry, I'm a baby, sir, Councillor, I respect you. And you think that the wisdom moment of utteration. We need to do things like this. And sir, the backbone prime, I said, your Councillor, can you know? Because God has a covenant with the community. Because Numbers chapter 14, I think verse 28. Or say, just as you have spoken into my ears, so shall I do.
Okay, FM. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 7.
Nadia Yame, what be saying? I mean, or the back. I'm at the corner bar to poor preparation. It will be a blessing.
That's it. That's it.
It will be a prayer answer, be a better because a lot of your call, I would do me, your calls, your man, they died as a result of a day when we be saying,
that's so.
Because their preparation was not solid.
But that's it.
Someone you are saying, can you handle abundance? Who bomb players and your main mouth? Am I only got to source of Kwame despite director, maybe will be a yellow. But what really are the very day of $1 million?
But that's it.
Even says preparing the ground for the windfall. God bless this program today.
Okay, FM. 1, 2, 1.
I'm really enjoying this program. God bless you, Captain. I'm really enjoying this program. If I say, come a private message me with your number, please. I need counselors too. Counselor Bay announced it and they said, put here. Counselor, thanks for the enlightenment. May God continue to bless you and everybody call me. Kwame is a nice one, brother. I want to tell you about you are speaking wisdom. Evelyn or Eagley was and Philip, I'm going to say I really like this counselor. Keep helping out. And I'm not calling you, I say I'm the great spiritual helper. I do help people in terms of their problems. I'm the program chief.
1,
Kwame.
In fact, I don't know ever funny yet. I don't know about ever funny connection.
But that's it.
But before that, travel Noah. Before to be, I chanced upon it last week. I say, remove sex from a relationship, and you will discover that over 90% of ladies have nothing to offer in relationship.
But that's it.
And as I call to say, remove money from a relationship, and you will discover that over 90% of ladies won't see a reason to be in that relationship.
But that's so.
Okay, FM. 1, 2, 1.7.
Free. Bemane oba asetenam. Na wubenya ema ohamu chichemu adu okron. A wo munya bibia bibipa bia mfa ma bema.
Correct.
And as we use comes free bemane oba asetenam a. Wubenya ohamu chichemu adu okron ayema. Wo munyu senti a wase relationship no wo mu wo.
Kwame. Menchia watie for.
Yes.
Na me nka se mo amutie ye last 2 weeks no. Me mamuti ase se Jacob animbere odi call Laban so na nya bibia tie pama grotia. We read it. It was not my scripture. Give me. Anybody know? You will give me. But what said you from man? Na obisa yempo enye de obisa ene de man. But ori ne sa na ni so ade huntia na operate yempema growth.
Okay, Evan. Okay.
Me ka ye no. Opanyi bia na afi na oba na so simi panyi ante ase. Na nsia na ofrem sa asem bia me ka afi na wate ase se fidie chi abo ani sungu gya no so ni sunku kwa me. Asem be na me ka ye. Me ka say be me bia ye ni so ade huntia de ware yempema grow asa. The only reason why I married my wife was because of sexual intercourse. Nothing.
Is it exclusive to you?
Every man.
Ras.
Yeah.
And she said, Lizia, better worry.
Now what's so them? What's here day? Why can't we hear day? Come where day? Utina ye say Lizzie for doors.
I didn't say to one light in a big truck.
Jamuja said it ain't same for her. Mambo bottom. And you know, crack go back to say no crack to you. Ah, mon can't go back to say no crack. Hey, Lizzie for it. What we animals is that? Kwame be me bi o tumi di o be bi chire o say when na me wa ni be ye Jimmy for. E didn't ras tie some di o be bi a chire so me wa no me Jimmy for pa no me timi nche o abenkum ni nifa. Ansam fu me no. Oba we na me wa no. E na mba no so agya tu. Na so ho nya fe. Obi ambe wo.
Oh, thank you.
Nde da bi ni fi.
Nde da fi me ho.
E fi wo say dai. Say wo kasa wo ka e di asema. Now I can say, Lizzie, ya we in at all. Lizzie Bay, why no one there? Ya de yire na chire enyam pra.
And so I'm going to bring you guys on the chile.
Obi odin pra chire bia ye Jimmy for. Quote me everywhere.
Then I'm money.
I mean, when you microphone and you match him pra ye jawa yang ware wo. Because Bessie na ye di common. What me master me can say. Men train ka say oh me ferry ras, me ferry abu. Apui toy. Can you credit you? You don't advertise what you have not paid for.
Okay.
They are not your wives.
Okay, one can be an
If you are not cause one can abua. Obi share with Facebook with add mine. Who did Lizzie be blocking a chance?
It's only the fool who anticipates.
Oh, penny who moves no a deceptive. What move wrongly? One person while is your penny be a nothing as you are no quiet then. What's an answer to out there? Yes, what if location you know? Kwame, how na me dem in common fever? As a young man growing, don't let anybody point fingers at anybody and marry the person. I can't say whether so baby or not or bear me or me young pa before me worry. She was one of the most prospective person. She qualifies to be the wife of Councillor Lutrons. Only later me jai. Or check mommy we have the cake. Straight ahead. Me do what mommy can so have a cake or describe me pan mommy and I'm a friend. Thank you. You want my cake. But this is the end of our relationship. I broke up with her because of the cake.
Why?
What you took the cake there as who? As who? Now madam for me be so mama me cake and so na lefa. What do you mean by that? Me cry me to cake ma bere wa enti e hwehwe ni me no. Ye di bronya wo aye nwale na wo to duma asa ko che wa se ba to be. There is nothing that we call in-law to be. So Ras Eddie, this should be your first and last. If this was a mistake, swallow your mistake. Never. And if you are a young girl that you are introduced to meet my girlfriend, frown. Don't smile. But Kwame, this is the opposite. When they don't introduce them, rather they get angry. And I mean so be a nature. And I don't know opinion no. One can't tell me say me for me or girl. Na say I want to man can hampo. Now a Christopher me go to scripture. When you are ashamed of me in public, I will also be ashamed of you in front of my father. Obe go to scripture children. Now Bible dey all kind way up. E my boy here but the fair say, "Oh, say no, we are not having sex." No, imagine that George has introduced you, he drops you. Frank will introduce you, he drops you. Remember, as a woman, the number of people that introduces you and drops you leaves you a record of becoming a bad wife in future. And you kwame, and some make an question say, Emprache, the edikai, your fanchre. Ompra, chikasan say, ompra. Ompra ni chile say, yeti fie kesiemuna owa obia ompra. Ye cha pra, ye faden kaho. Not just say you are not included in decision making. Utie mi says ya a branch and a chembra a year bo fie ho now na wa ginger genetem ya what told to me for mama wa gentoma nandam from them and afa na one benny oh ya ni o we ras you know ras oh wapenyin oh na your friend say ya abraha ya na fi komi fi that's such a eh ohima bere ho ase ebusuan de pemba se ni awale wo enti ye ni wa kire wo bedwam eda ras suman won pesa wo pepne so no ye ni wa kire bedwam dada enti never ever advertise a boyfriend, never advertise a girlfriend. It is a disrespect to show your boyfriend to your pastor. And as for the churches doing, my beloved, I pity them. Moving forward, tie empema grunti na ye nyina ya wale empema grunti. Na kwame make a cho say awadefo dodo no magi Kristo so edi omo ntiase no mu kumbema e wo mpem. Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7. Awadefo magi Kristo so edi omo nti na mesuma se no omo kumbema wo mpem. Our so-called Christian fellowship members we are married to, close to 85% of them are dormant in bed. Check the statistics of Christian husbands dying in a particular line of illness which is associated to sexual intercourse as compared to those who are not in our fraternity. What kills them? Awari edi ame wale unye nkwala mu wo fa me wo nti na wa yasi nti na me wale wo be me bia wo ma miensa e wo abrabom kwa me dan me kan me sa boso bio o ma me o eye na sedie se o ma waduane di de bia de ope ma wo excluding impemagro utie ye na papa ni ma wo a obe wo ba ka mema no unua ba nso be serve you in the same way, but the otoso miensa no onu bako bunsam jam ano soro ahemem onu ye fe na yire oyire wo na de be ma hu se wo yire bu na ye mpemagro ntie ni ye de obe ma wo hu se wo yire bu no ye mpemagro. Look kwame, there are so many Christian wives who will never initiate sexual intercourse. The word is never. They won't. And you said who efe and you said bibia o. Now, even your attempt to pull her to join you in sex is like a mechanical force. Be. And ya ho chire nso. Oda ho nso enye so she bibia mpu abeworo. Emma eye wadwin say she's ready for it. But when you get closer, you see that she's not ready for it. It empema grow is very essential. Mood. When it comes to sexual intercourse, we don't need mood for both people. Okay. Make an chimo. A bad impemagra. Yem yenuni ye mood. Ni papa ku ne wo mood. Now I create a man papa. We create moods. We don't come into sex with mood. What does it? Papa be your fan ide chi bi sam dating obi before be tie o. Papa be your fan ide chi. Me catch your last week say. Enkrofo be bra me hia wo ba bia me ye adwuma no. Omo kire me say omo wo fie omo fa aduru aso no yire no mo da. Bo mo ko form yire me chi omo fa aduru. Ina maka so mo nje aduru ne fa. Enya nto enya ntua. Wo call yire hu na wo be ma hwe kwame. Wo ba be lines no. Na restricting it to married men. Ne bisa warefo ahe na ado mo yire me chi omo be ma ado. Me catch you. Just open your lines and ask. Married men who have lied behind their wives and they have lost erection. Married men who have penetrated their wives and they have lost erection in there. It is it's so painful to look. Didn't say a shep baby and Namibo na do na ya tebelu no ko bodo no ko na ya home. Totally. Painful. Never say to form. Onu a wajuju ade no be se bi sansemfo na den na aba. Me de wentia wo e na aba me na ite se me mpe wasem. Na de waye me wo gire nipa na agya ne gina me bia. Wan na gire wan den na wo ye buaye. Enti kwame obi fa ni kunachi. Obi fa ni yire chiri de di kan. Enye buapayo ba de di kan ne se e kan wade ho. Kwame, cheating is part of marriage. Once you join the marriage trade, you have invited yourself into the cheating arena. Ras ni editi he umutwin cheating da. God. And where is God? Oh no, yeah, there. But he did marriage and gave it back to us. Now say there the dear baby any day. Say was side chick e bonny. If any atro. Bible if any atro say was side chick e bonny.
I don't want to be derailed.
Don't derail, but sometimes if people think cheating is what I say is I don't know be fa di kurechi. I don't know be fa di yirechi. When I make sure say e kan wade no ho.
Branding sex in marriage.
When I make sure say branding now what no. Which of the brand is it positive branding or negative branding? Because branding is for sighting and sighting is for purchasing and purchasing is for use.
No, you want to confuse me with
The abicha say yes you be branding at the anything of branding or branding is person obi hu. Deti ya hu ni say na be besmato. Anything you to say na be me use. That's all I said.
all right. Counselor, I am coming from this perspective. Branding in electoral knowledge in marketing. Product be manufacturer or branding.
But that's it.
But only ready that say so one day special eyes branding. At to do if we are going by in penny for say yeah they are one fair and a tonwa. And the content of insulin ya no brand na yeshe. Yam fa branding ne keke nyam fanta. And go be Antonio Aka. Specialize in one better. Because always they almost have branded.
Twana.
Rubber no. Any level there, born very attractive. What's a unusual color?
Me that say.
From the normal, you say now you're blue near the other.
Me that say.
Okay, FM. 101.7.
Me that say.
And only a fine. Meanwhile, other brands are competing. Special ISO.
Yes.
This is the case. Branding, obedient. Buano Heinz. The Juma oil. But obedient branding now, why no? Say the Juma.
Me that say.
And to branding now make in two phases. One. Papa Bay. How can we brand sex? Bema. Our dear Gina.
Me that say.
Or baby fees were branded in sex in marriage. Not okay, let's sex in marriage.
Okay.
And to branding me, no. Number one. The way in the papa.
Me that say.
The way in the any.
Me that say.
What man say?
What matter say? Kwame, they did kind of. Before you think of branding, you think of your target market. Why mona me to adie yama?
Okay, FM.
Kwame. Our dear sex branding no, one of the most painful things you can ever come across as compared to branding by a cheating girl. Two different forms of branding. And also branding.
Why?
Because of branding is a send a girl's name branding no who sell or wallet. That's their problem. Kwame, oba ware for dufia, the edi kind say. But that's it. The target market is what is determining your package. Who is your target? Lockdown, you buy the who said target market near useless of you. I mean, show we did ever dress here, or by shall we vote for fair farm iron and him come or call him a Juma and Shemu. Ah, sorry, me and sending in our boy or Tiffy. And you're sorry, I'm not panning to my body cuckoo. That's the end. The whole day. Oh, Jari poor Atadia, ya corner, yes, we go and shebi. Pada poor Bobby. Oh, come here. Branding, what is the target market? But another target market, Opiempo beto ko se wa bonten a. Or branded to suit the market she's entering. Kwame, wofa yire china for baby doing the day. Ore betimi aho se woni oba na tifie. Brazier to month punches. Brazier no share no any pon pant. Samba no mu yi omo ho anse na ne omo da. Oba bi oye confident beneath no onworo no ho anse na wo hia no. Oba onye confident beneath no onworo no ho anse na wo hia no. Because all the children ma usike tue mu akwani. Ena mema hu ade ye for moka. These are bema kotobum question padeto. Et the brazier to match panties ye shade he. That's a brand edikai. And the brand edikai ma bema ye see from far. Who are your target market? So you want to brand sex, who is your target market?
Obviously the husband.
So if your husband is your target market, how is your branding done? How do you sleep? What is so special about sex in the night in your room? What is it? She obi de ni yiri ni maami aba ni fie. O maami be sram log na ye mu. Na log na si na na do ye fie na me boa. And o be man say ni yiri no. O jeje hu a. O third room abete.
Okay, FM.
Ejifiti da ni maami ni ba ye. Na se ba fie ho no enye so mpe na ase asem na no ntumi ne yire na nhyesu bio eso de ne saka ne yire ne yire ho ba wo a wonnim se bibisi na ekoso wo anhwa obedi mirika bo mu fie obaje no enti na se ba no aya attempt one time bi abodan ono no teye oba na ante ese ne wo high cloud ewelele we F me. Eti abrante ni suro so obeye. Ena odi udi nkomo se oh se sia na nkola mpanyifo no fie na be yanka. Mama amenya den. Onko se sia bibia ye din. O sia den oboa ye. O se sia was wa mu ankasa atifie. O se kire me den tia. Be man say oba no ye se suro so be ka kire because won say kwa me oba bia obi san say ho ba o fili sen o kire obi an ne ho ba da. Should I repeat the statement? Any woman who tells you the way they express their orgasm in bed has never experienced orgasm before. It's part of the branding. Oh, the way you respond to sex, your peak at sex, the way you cuddle in sex is part of your brand. But me see, the first branding is the appearance. Me man fatu say we dia ni anjeje ho no e ma asumbi mbafie be man ne tina ne ho ba de di oye nti no be man say mama me nko be man ka wase adentia be man so fere so be ka che se na ye de ho ba ntia e no de fefa so sa na yes na de si na nim straight e adwo ade ntia me be so ma me ko se won se me timi no nda na se e se me no nda na ho ba wo ye dede dede aye na nye se me mpe na wo ye dede na wo ma me last we board dan onim de ye me ye dede ani me nda bi o me you see the first reaction. So onim se me dede dia ani me osi be nya wo boni so na wo amu ni mu hu ba de dia ho na si me nim. Do you see the line of conversation? So the man has regretted telling the woman, and this rather started a cold war in the house. So a year say no be no be na no aka because men kan crunch down. Say a side chick be no baby a wa branding who abontin a be ma ka chen say hey the way you move at times I'm afraid the way your tenant here will take. Is that so? Then let's provide a means to reduce my noise if it's possible. This is a girl who has not become a wife. One shall the music about. And today be abeti when you nyama shere and your worship. Also because be out about 5 usually between 5:45 you know or 1 a.m. or boy should be past selection be now one day me call them guys Charlie Max Charlie worship no Charlie unbeliever or banyamana copy in my Charlie you get also for worship was what you get no try and I give him the selection of the song na benadama go those times waba I say oh so for makwaka ba yan fie ko will get you me train say but no new inside I'm not try no kwe kwa me na epolo Why would you say? Pono. And your barber one and any jipono no about to say worship new cosuna when obey me chair my time for near Boponari exemplary life in pornography. And you know about it, I'm saying, so from that day I was I say worship. What's say? There's nothing blasphemous about sex as worship. Now where pono, you need that pono say. Many we show it now, boy. And that's it. Does that come a flesh? So come educated. Public nuisance. Say Anya Sanka met some way. Mommy, you see what I'm talking about? No, what I'm saying is that Indian says, I didn't know window to say, young boy, or be away, wait, was a behalf. But what's your worship now? You begin to worship God on their behalf. So when your husband is complaining about your mowing and making the noise, your answer was insultive. But somebody else could find an alternative to reduce the noise. What did I mention here? So when it comes to branding, your target market is very important. What do you think about your target market? Because Dr. Ofori Sapon, first time Israel, or catch him say, counselor, don't ever lose faith in what you are doing, because your target market are listening to you. Only fact why mommy. Or see we see children someone kwala. Now the map penny song can share, or because the situation doesn't kwala here. I have never forgotten this thing from Dr. Ofori Sapon. I want the officer. Wow. This is what he told me. Young to say bia. That same day now me ban hon 2 days time I'm saying coach doctor the first time I call the office so can me ban me ura. He said the same thing. So as if to say they have a common mind. Your target market is what both of them told me. That's why I say adia you know omo nte wase me fi won ya te wase no o kanya sase be gusu tie target market. And that gave me the pedestal. Say, if learned people, wise people are listening to you, which means those who are not in my target market, I am not derailed. Explanation by what they say. So when you are in marriage, or baby see, branding no mikru die, ni huehi way, kwame amo, who shampoo a na raswa wale. O say. Me no na show no now you grofo ya my head. Oya kura on kashe kwamitie. Emma mu tie me huntie sankomo yi. The fact that the man never openly spoke about what you are wearing doesn't mean he doesn't admire it. Wono ma me te na uprade bia on ma u moda e da one brand e ka just say wonya hwe ofie ha. Too much. So your husband, you say, doesn't admire what you wear, but all of a sudden he's complaining why you have stopped what you are wearing. And see your answer. Hey, can you imagine? Or baby see your dress yakwa or can say your dress and you or that's what that until she ni puton upside down. Or shall I shape you or tenimu and or share. Or see your shape you to know 1 minute. Hey, babe, you turn your pant upside or see a shock. No, can't say ni krunada. Basina branche da hodinu or admire the gift of God. No koni minchi. The woman said that alone changed his perspective. Said not it means says it's here no. Say oh you careful with the underwear. Kwame, and the first branding of every woman to any man on earth is what you are wearing. First branding. The second branding is the smell from what you are wearing. A brand. When you take anything that is branded, when you open, smell, the 5 senses, hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, is what we use in branding. eti wo hu ade ne say bottle ne ye fe ya twere ho kama we ye say de di kan no we hu afrefre wato adenti na ato ye medi na se wo bie so na ne pampa ne nya friendly ade na beba regardless of the brand. When the scent is not friendly, you refuse to buy, and it becomes a public notice to everybody. Oba uti the American. Be me bia oba hu a wo hye pioto fefefe, unu fugu su bebrebe, utujina su bebrebe, na so oba wo no hu pampan ti se nkosu ya asai wa kukubuo mu no, okwa okachi obia. Branding. O say, me bisa wo mpo. O kasma bodam. Na me bisa sa asem wa untimi ya no. Umpo de ugo shia wa he wonya fletch ya ko ya nim wonya fletch bra se na wale brantie bi dem we spray sa scent ne nko okita ntoma no yesepu obia windows. What is happening is I think I have some bad odor in my room. Bad odor tu me bi efi wa yes anko we ko penti o nyina still enko kwabi dem can say. So when you talk about branding, we have two forms of branding. How have you branded your sex life? I'm not talking how have you branded your life, your sex life. And the Kwame topic here specifically branding your sex life. So your official branding, I will share bodyline clothing suits to match. And yeah, no, I see how you asem no. Now him say yeah man ben here's our branding no. When him say boxer shorts we whole shirt now you who we are or bar any jail. And yet they from a woman be. And no me who are social media. Since I'm Bema, you are here phone be ama one. Ministers are one. I do Bema be shame. Now ma because say Gina Kyoto no more. A Gina boxer shorts no more. And man who say when you nyam. And you'll be deceiving no. One who idea be say now say Kai this thing will be sumptuous. You will few ones as man. So for PR 2 gig pen drive. No go be you. What just say? And to Kwame, the branding is very important. Very, very important. And I'm saying say the sighting is important. Now the smell, not the taste. Kwame, the five senses has smell, has taste. They are not the same thing. What you used to smell is not what you used to taste. Unfortunately, the smell drives you to taste. And to buy with me, branding your sex life, your looks, the way Kwame, when you say son yeda yechre. Kwame, obi timi ko to ne yide se wada, no ahye da nyane no ni dia. Usu se wewu ana. Obebu oda ne hu ye. Obi su to me da udu wa na be ma brem. I'm telling you. The way she's sleeping. Okay, okay. The sleeping, so we have sleeping pattern that rises it gives the erection of a man, and we have a sleeping that kills the erection of a man. It's a doing adwa the year. How are you branding yourself? That is by sighting the ocean. They told me that your smell. Mama, you tell me. Unu fase born to say akoko bi unim de ntia. Ubiare undwutwu unu fase. Kwame, me bisa we na me yi ano. Ras mpo bi so mo se mo anu for dom se fe. Na de mo kan so ma me nu for. E ye flesh pen bit me ka se wa no ma me de anu girls bi de na aba num na yire de. Ko adi. Ya careful. Enu flesh o ti de dika. Ko e se we come flesh. Oba anu fu anu ma be ma bo wa wo mpem agro. Ama mema bebre gya nufu ofe. We share we almost since say flesh sia. San microphone ye nufu mo so mo fear e ye dangerous. To say Kofi Adoma. Wa hu ani eku na do mo sintem no. De nepo no fam so. Ajira no. O de fajira dum so. And you'll be all the BDF or food nufa, who feel excited. The BDF your wrong dental formula. And you for an ankasankasi treaty, I say, what the show now, what the intersone canna, ne for, ne you particles and get to rest, Rasuti. And you particles and get Umamidia now, Kaya. The memoir, Timmy. no for eyi particles nketenkete bi a wo di hye wani mu o tafre a na ko wura wrong place ba bo etu be be bi o fi unu fu wie ya ina mbema so se de esi sa de no yi sa nketenkete na o de hye ha wanu ha sei na gu so fe what's in a flesh essay the cover ne say ento so kota ho na wonim na amena abeti na go home kwabe emi si wo hoda umpo de untamfe was we yes in Christ died ti de make kwabe. So how do you treat your nipple? So I have cited the brand. Now I have gotten closer to the brand. When I expose the brand, even the breast alone, Bible says the breast satisfies in the book of Solomon. And in the case, our sister's breasts are small, so we can't give it. Our bow nufu so I am found my idea so good be many must okay. Nufu bu o fa so be fear we say nufu aye fear many pa ho to ye nufu edi nsem bi nuso mo fe. Enye de ne se ba ko choke. Ebu akura nuso mu tumi fe. Ye wodi ekuni panso enye Pamela for de Pamela de ande mo amunufu ayira mo nkonkoje Pamela ho because oni Pamela woni nufu no kura no krofo de no aja kan de hu wa wutie me na nufu asa ko hwehwe Pamela no nte wo de ma ho abaya kito we sikuru hwe de gubu mi se we ye yi a medwane me hu bata se ade an nkase I don't know whether there's a nipple at all ye yi egu nufu egu ye funu so. And the son of where the master fina would team, I just won't go down below because the cow when who was on when see. No phone go when I saw. And the smell from the breast area alone can kill you as a man and lose your sexual drive. So smell, and that is just a nipple and the breast area. And your bar would tell me, no phone me in term, a bond to say I could go be well teams this year. Oh, pass fan suffer us a few minutes. Once I could go be brown was Hannah Bell. Which means udari we I saw ya den udin suogu na ya den hohoro asie no manufo no so na wo asie. So your branding is not just about wearing the nice panty, the nice bra, but when we remove it from the nice bra and the nice panty, what smell do we have? Yeah, but down motiemu kwame oba bi wo fini nufu ani motiemu pampan na eba wo ho be man sunie. The down below is your importance. And your bon cry, ube jako. Sana si o Jacob Abrabum. Na lay a home tanas while we are not the chin of Casanamaka. ya. So your branding for sex is very important in marriage. But what is your body smell? Or baby or body splash or spray and you repair. Body splash no to a to the correct. Because you ho and you free bema a bomba ba. So shave your armpit. I mean, when shave your armpit, now the deodorant here, antiperspirant no and cause sweat glands. And if you feel about be good and minimum na bone. So your husband is not pleasing to come closer to you. Now men can't be back on show. And my mutie me, more imagine say with the susun kokona be a dumenti. Omuka hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. And then pump and quiet Holy Ghost fire. They don't even want to brush their teeth in the night. Branding, your breath. Kwame, the breath. And then I had to say, because and you are talking only about women. No. We'll come back and do with men. The reason is that the things that men needs to do are just small. So we are talking about sex branding next week. Let your member there. And member there and also. Yeah, and then away home. What did I say? But a man no problem. I say, I dear what Bema who Bema ba I think can't see a quano endorse.
Okay.
Now dear ma Bema think can't take over bass on a dorso. When no cry on to chin and new. One gasa to or Iran in the daho and you made Biania Diano light soup nifuphobia wire kama a Bianini nine and yen fault and I'm not the ent and you may want to chin and Muson Cananano. Babe, and I can say, did you brush your teeth? Come a boy, but I never can say. So you didn't know boy, I can't hold you chin. What can I say? Let me share girl, we don't catch me. I don't bath in the evening. I don't brush my teeth because when I do is when my husband wants to have sex with me. Tell you. On who I observe say when she looks fresh. the husband will have sex with her. So because of that, she has decided not to look fresh. And just say, "Bemani befia, yeah, mansa, hey, and two go jare." I say, "Me never tell you, I'm sorry." In the first place, ukunu person didn't have account because you are in a home. And now you ukunu are doing area because Kwame, you knew about that. Your money in your answer. Bear maybe your request is Gary. I want you to bath and look fresh before we have sex. Has a mental problem or you smell. What's it? And two person can say they also request a bath. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Go your mouth, sir. What's it? And found. Come on, Nantia. No, nothing happens. I didn't know you in the crowd about water and did that case. Why we because see the only body overhauling that happens to every normal human being is sexual intercourse. That's why when you stop sexual intercourse, you have just dug your grave for you to die. Or baby, or after 40 on your sex, be a be a bag and be a crown. Never diagro. And tell me, say, why do you go out in town? Naja to try to kiss concert party. See, they make an one. 80 that particular smell on your body is a brand. How do you smell? So come me we smell ni we are why as smell. Hwe a brand here be cancer some natural. Ah, odwane 6 months later no buy so for no wo ha no sabi oye be cancer some natural. Say girl be ware ye. No ware ye na be man say romance owura gown na say ah owuro no yiri gown. In the first time for say oh we are not say go so ase no bar from koto form o fear honeymoon hall o man ko Sunday Thanksgiving one enu anu 6 months ase no baba ase ho pampan ne bon wa wutiem se sia no wo si ayale bi the white we treat sa wa wote say wase bon kwa me nyame adom na nse na me fa atoto ache me ka se mre me fa atoto wo ze to bi a wo tena se down who say na nipa no e be fa wanim say o baby fa manim say more than 1 week sent in inko. Hey, me yes. Na kamiti. Adi ameri yemponi. Ebetina ba no se ne to ne bon. Ana ne pant mu ne bon. Ana ebia underwear ni ka no hye ne mu bon. Ana na se ne bon. Wanya na be ka no. Nya ma ho bon ni bi ni o. Obaby won under wenika okodwom oba nyumuro yi hata ya oprum se ya no dey to do no so anope no be sanhye anya no wato. So your personal branding includes your smell. Kwame, is the smell that we invite us to taste. Branding na Kwame kan ye no. You sight, you purchase, then what do? You smell. So you can do what? Taste. When the smell is not good, there are times that obi o smell ni good oba ignore no aye den. E taste ya say bia yogurt scent keke. Enti onu ma hwe say wo yogurt taste na. Enti wo mu say ho bon de na nkrofori. Obi wi di pass obi pa ne be ma ho. Ko bi ba ho oba hospital o say e ti say kura ba ni team. Omo ye CT scan ye bibia enkoye ena menya referral ne ba me ho ena me de me ho say me de talk therapist na me starting komodie me hwa na num mbon oni halitosis dental afahwe bibia ni ho ena me san di nkomo say aduane be ne we di aduane bia scent ne high ana if ana wo de ohun akobom otewa no say yes. Yes. Okay, yes, that reminds me. Counselor, you're right. Yes. Yes. Oh, the yes. What's that? Obika, yes. Yes. And I said, they are trusting to me. Yes. Yes, counselor, you're right. Yes. Me say, what? You smell something? Counselor. Can Can I say it here? I say, where do you want to say it? Okoye Tafribomski. Come be share na 7 days down the line. Sent no Tafri na kanihuni. I say, Kwame, the down below no bon. Obi see a bon na ede. Obwa! Kwame ti Sakasanda. A bon na ede. Omobwa! Why I say go be mama hey. Then a bon na ede, bon there. Obwa! Look of fuke fune ake home. Na combination. So how is your branding? The sighting is important. The smell will lead to the tasting. There are times that we taste not because the smell is nice, but we are tasting because we assume that this taste will lead to a good smell. This smell should lead to a good taste. And your personal branding, as your scent in it is saying, Mr. Waba Ujaria, Mamma will drop a year. Ujaria and fast samurai roya say. Ye didn't soon a warrior, see the samurai warrior too. Why there are two different things, oh? Ye the samurai and warrior too. And ma he ne gari the samurai who want to. Obu on a yasin bon, Netuna bon. Eti mado do no moto do so no enche no moto bon. I say shiasia e produce bacteria bi. Enka ka obo nanti aneto on fa de ansuo mu enam krom egbelema egbekasa. E bon. Eti where the smell is coming from itself, if you are not sure, you will know.
Okay,
but you that you are listening to me, watching me today, this evening, examine yourself. We're talking about sexual branding. Examine yourself. Kwame, I have fed yourself, bear man share about what was the media, Bibia Hamil. Na yare ba ko media ko saa say ma me ho pam kon bibi a friend white ma ko saa enko Kwame e fed yourself ba obi a wonwale ye abrantie hia obewale na wo na aka chen say me ho bon na boa me na me nye ne enko. No way. Oba bi a ti ma video mu bon ti dem say ye ash mo friend say otwi mu enso na wo ko port ase no so ne so yibidie ni film to anka twade enye lemon lime yi hu nyina fa bom na fa dware uti fitu ti so sa e brown nasi ti se wo ye konfo na trase men dware ansa wo ti se ekekawa e ti se ekekawa na wura dware na pe any of the carbonated soap na fa dware san so no wo ye ni gigiri ahon be woro enti ye ni gentle. What do I say? Ye ni gentle. Use local sponge. They usually full ni bi. Local one tete de no. Na fa dware widie no. Wo dware na enso ni nyina kowia. Na fa samna na dware. Bosumi bia ye ni 3 times. Na hwe say widie mbe. Ma che we dure say e beti am hodaji. And why I say clean. And you Kwame, the first medium is that you need to have these things in place. Then when you smell good, what must say? Then the branding is solid. I think say maybe I will do our wedding 2 times which I say. So that the next point of branding ever can be a communication of the brand. The brand must communicate. The brand must communicate. Kwame. There are brands that they don't communicate. Or the hot ball. Adeya is smelly good. Adeya presented well. Now so no ma want to share. Why did you brand it? Why does it look? It's deceptive. Who born kama? Who sent you good? Who pant you good? Who mote you bon? Now say that was swa. To say dear be a yakotua yen yusu. Nothing is working. Why should you make that say? You want about forever erade. Kwame, you better das it, me das it. What say? You ante wonka.
Message you buy. Me can am jam homework. Jam ya do next week.
Yankwe.
What's that, Kwame? It's Evans. I have a question, but please don't mention it.
Oh, Kwame, I'm more. Kwame, I'm not going to miss you. The party say, I kind of question you mention my name? Kwame, thank you for not asking Evans question. But let me wrap up quickly for you. Eti the Ukraine said, Evans, call me direct with your question. Yanya body. Get it here. Kwame, question what my timeline is so. Obi say, I have a lady that I have sex with. She smells bad. I can't tell her. How do I tell her? Listen to us next week. I'll tell you how to tell her. I say about who come first so I can tell her. Kwame, mediciano. Branding is not for only one side, it's for both sides. But next week, your target market determines how you brand yourself. So about with me brand well. From your head down to toe. Kwame, but the tears bone. And you say, Beman, everyone who had done it take on one side. 0277 next week. 609 next week.
Okay, FM.
644 next week. Tell me ba. Who help them more before next week? 0277 next week. 609 next week. Why? Oh, your bar. Dollar see the account. I said, dollar see us about Facebook don't be who did me and yet. Anybody did what choose me be the autonomous. Cynthia dollar see, but as a passer, home pump and graph of phone number 0277. Sawa who? Me that as in your mission, me no mutina me no we are. Ah, I'm no microphone bomb with you. I brought the bishi have a counselor. And in Casa. Me say why? I say in Casa, wa park it won't you go. I want some funaja wokruma. Me get be ordinary tia. Get say me see me dressing room. Get up pack konti. O phone so me in Casa no sambra.
Okay,
0277 609 644. Kwame, where we tie me a anko yama de di kan. Be maybe your catch say kodware anse on no no. Two things involved. Either say be ma no adwumu yare. And now one kasa ho bon. De di kan say ho bon. Na ho pampan gina so na be man ti kodware o wadwum yare wa hia de bi e bonda and your de toto say wo su kodware na enko but oba di hu ni make sure that your branding is solid, presentable, smell good, look good. Wife and you we tie your moment of alteration sorry mama sorry kodware dress it say wo kodwom na fe hia da na wa hwe da be ma ya o se ewu bi pinti no. At the end, sorry you. Every erection needs direction. Keep the direction well and enjoy what God gave you. The only thing that God gave us and doesn't get involved is sexual intercourse. And to be humble, not Jesus. Jesus on your body is appreciating.
Okay, FM. 101.9.
Linda Akins, as a counselor, you Hilda Edu of Germany. That's a sweet sister. Jela, what is a Hilda?
I die. I did about someone. Well, God bless you for being there. We'll end here. We'll continue next week. Brand yourself very well. Smell good. Look good. Bye for now. 0277 609 644 is the number. Your help is needed in all fields of life. Say a prayer if you know how to pray and pray for me. God bless you. I'll see you again. Get ready for our virtual concert coming up in Ghana. The first relationship virtual concert in Ghana.
Okay, FM.
It's going to be big. We're ready for it. Thank you. Kwame, my last words. And yes, I'm good. But Kwame, the edit coming fast. I can say, and would do a mom. As I know, I'm a quanya young and I could see a day, Madame Erechi, me use. But the Yakoban said, if you had my co use later. Now, the Abban said, you will say, oh, I'll leave to make us a minute recorder. Now, Paras in Kenya, a dinkebwa. But from Lizzie, anything. Said in a chum used to do. Ye pay at the pub if you're not in a lady. Besides, gas in no jump of women. Kwame, tell me, The first ever relationship virtual concert ever happened in Ghana. You have virtual concert for relationship. And the Ghana for you ready for me. A very solid power. And into phone in Jamaica for but Mexico for you now. Ever 2 million dia bread. And yet Christo for you monkwa. But you fa ampon emba ekuti anyumu ni ho. Enti ampon ya gossip musician. You fa emba. What I say? We don't need any gossip musician in this lineup. By this time, the Shatawales and other people will come. You met to be film or a gospel musician or film. And yeah, ampo a gossip musician. Omba. What I say? And the virtual concert here back as here. We are ready. When you're controversy, Ampon is a gossip musician, not a one you be a watcher of gospel music. Sending like a quadra be a choir mammy or like a gospel musician. Shakona was no Ampon. If you are near being one day, be the Yamia, if you be some a commodity. What in you? Ah, Messi Wabo, Num Sa. Mimisi Wabo, Metia Numne, ATM West. Or a gossip musician. A gossip. When you go on your gospel music. I go on silver, Bible in financial. TMA. It's a very virtual concert, the biggest virtual contest of relationship in Ghana. Get ready for the blast. You be swaggy. Kwame Yamin Shra pa Yamin Shra. I am a number no money and mobile money. 0277. Modifa Kwame whoever the announcement from Most Street 0277 609 644. Kwame that's
Okay,
I have three sisters. Tina da Viva Vance educative program. Yes, Tina. Nanama, one of my daughters,